Open CapCut and load the project that's lagging. Now drag the timeline left and right a few times to confirm the lag issue. First, try a quick fix by deleting any unnecessary clips, especially the ending section if you no longer need it. Then close CapCut completely. Now head towards your home screen, long press on the CapCut app, and tap App Info. Go to Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. Open CapCut again and check if the lag is gone. If CapCut is still lagging, head back to Storage and Cache and this time, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. Keep in mind that this may remove your app settings and locally save drafts, so make sure anything important is backed up first. Once the storage is cleared, launch CapCut again and test your project. If the problem still continues, the final fix is to completely uninstall CapCut from your device and then reinstall the latest version from the App Store. In most cases, one of these methods will get CapCut running smoothly again.